Is everyone all right?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt.
Holy shit.
Okay, so this video actually happened a couple years ago. I've been sitting on the footage for a long time, but I thought it was finally time to show you, release it, I guess, put it all together. Broke my hand, cuts all over my face, my chest, my arms, broke my camera. A lot of stuff happened. Just watch the video. Beautiful, snowy, mountainy Mexico. You guys ready to go do undisclosed things in an undisclosed place?
In Mexico with snow?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, we were just talking in the car about how we both happened to drive all the way to Mexico this weekend.
Mexico City.
Nice, snowy Mexico City.
The borders are really unsecure.
Oh, man. So much stuff in my eyes.
Oh man!
Dude, Mexico has some crazy cherry bombs. That was awesome. So much dirt went in my eyes.
Wow. Yeah. I just had my mouth open for that too. Hi-yo!
Cool.
Adios! Hasta luego! Yeah, we're all dead.
I'm not gonna hold this.
We're gonna die now.
Oh, the fire started more.
Okay.
Well,
What the
Ow.
I can see. You alright?
I'm bleeding, yeah.
oh, yeah. Is everyone all right?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt.
Holy shit.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Bleeding pretty bad? Oh, I'm getting lightheaded right now.
Holy crap.
Oh,
Guys, that was awesome.
holy crap.
You alright?
Oh, man.
Woo!
It broke my camera battery pack. That lens is probably toast too. Jeez, man.
Wow. That was some...
No, that was gnarly.
That was some gnarly shit.
Holy
That throw you two back as hard as it threw Justin and I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
it
went
threw me
that
almost
way.
off.
Oh, man.
I was a little bit closer to the edge than you guys.
You good, man?
Holy hell.
Yeah.
Wow. That was intense.
I'm glad we didn't get broken shards of glass flying back up at us.
Seriously.
Yeah.
That would have been bad.
Oh, man.
My finger might be broken.
I feel like we just... Yeah, well...
Yeah. Well, that sucked.
It was fucking gnarly.
Oh. Can you guys see friggin' micro cuts all over my face? Look at my arm. It messed us up, guys. Mexico doesn't f around.
Yeah, it's serious down here.
Do we still want to go to a restaurant after this?
My contact's all messed up.
You got cleaned up okay?
Yeah.
So you guys see my camera from that?
Gnarly.
Blew the battery grip right open. Look at my lens. Oh. I only have the use of one hand, so bear with me while I try to figure this out. Shotgun blasted my arm. Peppermint. This is through a sweatshirt. Got my face pretty good. Caught me on the ear in here. Now, what happened? I personally don't really know what happened, but our buddy Mike is a Dirty Mike. You know Dirty Mike, he's been in other videos. Dirty Mike is a chemical engineer, and he explained what he thinks happened. So we kept dropping bigger and bigger bottles. A lot of them weren't going off. A lot of the bottles would break and not burn all the way or not burn at all. So we kept dropping bigger and bigger bottles thinking that that's what we needed. And so there's just all this gasoline pooling at the bottom of the mine shaft. And when we dropped that big, it was like a 1 gallon glass bottle, but when we dropped that, the rag and the flame we used was so much bigger than on everything else. He thinks it was able to pull oxygen down that it didn't have, and because it had like a funnel of oxygen, everything that had been pooling on the bottom finally lit and just backdraft or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what it's called, but basically like gallons and gallons of gasoline that was down there unburned finally got the oxygen it needed to fully burn, and that's what came up the mine shaft and threw us all off. I got lifted up off the ground probably about 5 feet and tossed back between 10 and 15 feet, and I landed on a concrete curb. That's when I broke my hand. Justin got knocked off as well. He was the next closest. Tyson, Dave were kind of on the edge, so they got knocked over, but not really hit with a bunch of stuff. But yeah, it was pretty gnarly.